Magandang hapon po ng June 8, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 8, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, June 8, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 6.9, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 8, 2025 Sunday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for Sunday, June 8, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 8, 2025 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.